Welcome to Willard Public Library's virtual Crafternoon. On this episode, we're going to be making gold leaf gilded egg accents. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk at Willard Public Library while supplies last. Each kit includes 3 plastic craft eggs in pastel colors, 3 small metal rings to use to keep your eggs from rolling around on the table, 2 soft paintbrushes, a small container of Bluebird brand gold leaf adhesive, and 3 very delicate gold leaf sheets separated by parchment. Start by choosing one of your paintbrushes to be your wet brush and the other to be your dry brush. Dip the end of your brush into your gold leaf adhesive and dab it onto your egg. Instead of brushing or painting the glue, you're going to want to stipple it on. Set the egg aside for a few minutes until the adhesive gets clear and tacky. Now we're ready to gold leaf, so take one of your gold leaf sheets in the parchment paper, remove the top layer of parchment, and gently lay one of your glued eggs onto the gold leaf sheet. Now using that parchment, wrap the egg in the gold leaf. Do be prepared for the gold leaf to stick to your fingers, the table, pretty much every surface. Once the egg is completely wrapped in gold leaf and parchment, set it aside to dry for a few minutes. The final and most fun step of the process is to use your dry paintbrush to get rid of the excess. So here you'll see I'm just gently brushing off the excess gold leaf, kind of burnishing on that gold color. I would recommend leaving the egg in your parchment paper while you do this. That way all the gold flakes just fall right into the parchment and it's easy cleanup. Just a quick side note, gold leaf clear sealers and clear coats are available at most craft stores and online if you are concerned about further protecting the gilding. Now your golden eggs are ready for display.